Welcome back to Goodspin. Today we have a fantastic general knowledge quiz all about birds. Don't forget to keep track of your score and share it in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and let's go. Which bird has the largest wingspan of any living bird? Albatross, condor, pelican. Albatross. The wandering albatross has a wingspan up to 12 feet. What bird is known for its elaborate courtship dance? Flamingo, crane, mannequin. Mannequin. Male mannequins perform complex dances to attract females. Which bird species can sleep while flying? Hummingbirds, albatross, frigate bird. Frigate birds. Frigate birds are master aerial thieves, often stealing food from other seabirds in midair. Which bird is the national bird of New Zealand? Kiwi, kea, moa. Kiwi. Kiwi birds have nostrils at the end of their beaks, not their heads. What is the smallest species of owl? Elf owl, pygmy owl, barn owl. Elf owl. The elf owl is the smallest owl, standing about 5 inches tall. Which bird is known for its unique drumming sound made with its beak? Woodpecker, owl, nightingale. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers drum on trees to communicate and find food. Which bird can see ultraviolet light? Eagle, sparrow, robin. Eagle. Eagles can see ultraviolet light, enhancing their hunting abilities. What bird is known for its distinctive boom during mating season? Bittern, heron, osprey. Bittern. Bitterns produce a deep booming call during mating season. Which bird has the longest tail feathers? Peacock, pheasant, magpie. Peacock. Peacocks have tail feathers that can reach up to 6 feet long. What is the only bird that can fly backwards? Hummingbird, swift, kingfisher. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Which bird has the most feathers? Swan, penguin, hummingbird. Swan. Swans have the highest feather count, up to 25,000 feathers. Which bird is known for its ability to detect magnetic fields for navigation? Pigeon, starling, swallow. Pigeon. Pigeons have the ability to detect Earth's magnetic fields. What bird lays the largest egg in relation to its body size? Ostrich, kiwi, emu. Kiwi. Kiwis lay eggs that are nearly 1/3 of their body weight. Which bird can reach the highest altitude in flight? Vulture, eagle, bar-headed goose. Bar-headed goose. Bar-headed geese can fly over the Himalayas at altitudes up to 30,000 feet. What bird can mimic the sound of a chainsaw? Lyrebird, parrot, mockingbird. Lyrebird. Lyrebirds can mimic the sounds of chainsaws and other machinery. Which bird migrates the longest non-stop flight distance? Albatross, shearwater, swan. Shearwater. Shearwaters migrate up to 9,000 miles non-stop. Which bird has a beak adapted to feed on nectar? Hummingbird, sunbird, vireo. Sunbird. Sunbirds have specialized beaks for feeding on nectar. What is the largest flying parrot species? Macaw, cockatoo, kakapo. Macaw. The hyacinth macaw is the largest flying parrot. Which bird builds the largest nests? Eagle, stork, owl. Eagle. Eagles build nests that can be 10 feet wide and 20 feet deep. Which bird species can perform a sky dance to attract mates? Sparrowhawk, falcon, woodcock. Woodcock. Male woodcocks perform aerial displays to attract mates. Good spin trivia. Which bird has the loudest call? Howler monkey, kookaburra, bellbird. Know the answer? Comment below with hashtag #GoodspinTrivia. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Don't forget to share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Good Spin for more fun quizzes. Until next time, stay curious and keep spinning those wheels of knowledge.